Hello, welcome to Mummy Kahani Suna. This story is called No Job is Inferior. Swami Ramakrishna Paramhansa's fame was reaching new pinnacles. He was a revered saint and lived in Dakshineshwar temple near Kolkata. One fine day, another famous person of Calcutta, Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar, visited Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans to meet him and convey his regards towards him. When he reached the gardens outside of Dakshineshwar temple, he noticed that a gardener was watering the plants. In absence of any other person around, Dr. Sarkar asked the gardener the way to the entrance of the temple and also to bring some fragrant flowers for him. He added, "I would like to greet Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans with the flowers. Can you bring some flowers for me?" The gardener immediately went to the flower beds in the garden, picked some, and handed a bouquet to Dr. Sarkar. Dr. Sarkar then went inside the hermitage attached to the temple where Swami Paramhansa's disciples escorted him to a suitable place to sit and wait until he can listen to Swami Paramhansa's discourse. After a short while, Swami Paramhans entered the room and sat on his podium seat. When Dr. Sarkar looked at Swami Paramhans, he was surprised to see that he was the same gardener who had brought flowers for him. He hadn't recognized Swami Paramhans as a gardener and realized that he hadn't even spoken very politely to the gardener. Thinking about that, he felt very ashamed. After the discourse, Dr. Sarkar stood up and walked to Swami Paramhans. Offering him the flower bouquet, he apologized repeatedly to Swami Paramhans, mentioning that he treated him ill considering him a gardener. But Swami Paramhans just smiled in response. He replied, "Working as a gardener isn't a shameful job like you're implying. I was not offended at all when you asked me to get the flowers. All jobs are respectful, and no job is inferior to other. We should only categorize a job as good or bad based on the merit only. And more importantly, we should not treat people differently based on the jobs they do." Dr. Mahendra Sarkar absorbed this insight from Swami Paramhans, paid him goodbye, and walked away pondering over his fallacious thought process and deed and the learnings thereafter. So, have you grasped the beautiful life lessons Swami Paramhans was explaining to Dr. Mahendra Sarkar? Let's have a look into these together. Firstly, we should not hesitate to do any job, as long as we are skilled to do it and ascertain whether the job is morally right or wrong. For example, burglary is morally incorrect, whereas helping others is morally right. Secondly, if a person you're conversing with is perceiving you wrong, it's okay to persevere and not react immediately. In the story, we can observe that even though Swami Paramhans was perceived as a gardener in a derogatory way, but he did not mind it. It didn't affect him at all in any way to perform the duties of a gardener, because he sincerely believed no job should be considered inferior than other. And thirdly, we should practice what we preach. Imagine if Swami Paramhans would have just preached to weigh all jobs at same level without actually practicing that philosophy himself, would he have the same impact on Dr. Sarkar? In my opinion, no. He had a better impact because he believed in what he preached and hence he practiced it in his life too. Aren't these some beautiful moral values to follow in our own lives as well? If you have learned any more lessons through this story, then do mention them in the comments below. Well, would you like to know more about Swami Paramhans? Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans was born in 1836. He started as a priest of Ma Kali temple in Dakshineshwar and went on to become a famous philosopher and saint of West Bengal. Many prominent personalities were his followers, the most famous being Swami Vivekananda, who had set up Ramakrishna Mission to promote the teachings of Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans at Belur, West Bengal. Let's learn a bit about Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar as well. He was born in 1833. He was a medical doctor, the second MD, graduated from Calcutta Medical College, a social reformer and propagator of scientific studies in 19th century India. He was the founder of an institute called Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. This brings us to the end of this story. Hope you have enjoyed the story and have been able to learn something new. Thank you for listening to the story. Please subscribe to Mummy Kahani Sunao channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the bell icon next to it to get notified for all the upcoming stories. Also, please like and share this video, and please do not forget to leave a comment below with your amazing feedback. See you soon!